If you're a music producer, just watch this. Sometimes it's very painful to create content out there. Sometimes it can take you some days and then hours to create content, but still don't get people to even like the video and then subscribe to your channel. So don't worry about that. In this video, I'll get you covered. I'm going to show you a secret way that you can use as a music producer to gain more subscribers on YouTube. But before then, if today happens to you your first time, hello guys, my name is Richie and welcome to Richie Beats. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell for more updates like this. Without further ado, let's dive into today's method. Recognize.com, but the spellings is very different, so that's the reason why I do recommend you watch this video to an end. So what you need to do when you come to this platform is to sign up for an account. So you can see my Gmail is here. I can sign out and then show you the sign up process. It's very simple. You can choose to go with your Google account or Discord account, or you can create a free account by going with this. So let me click on create free account, and you can see over here you just have to enter your Gmail and then password over here, or you can choose any of these over here to create an account. So let me sign into my account, and then simple as that. We are going to go with today's tutorial. So as simple as that, let me sign in with my Google account over here. Okay, I have to hit continue. So somebody may ask, what does recognize do? Because they can see views, unlock, and then conversion rate, and then total links over here. This platform allows you to create links and then hide it in somewhere. So before somebody can get whatever they want, they just have to subscribe, or you just have to perform a specific task before they can be allowed to do whatever you are going to do. So they have link in bio over here. You can use link in bio, and then whatever you want to do, like if you want to take people's email list, you can use it to generate more email list over here. So you can create email list for free. So if you want to create email list, all you need to do is to click on that and then type in the create email list. You just have to type in the email, the name that you want to use, like subscribers or subs over here, and then hit on create. So they will allow you to create a simple link. So whenever somebody when somebody create or click on the link, they have to submit their email before they can get access to whatever they want to download from your YouTube videos under your YouTube video for all the link that they clicked on. So let me go into my Google Drive and then see over here. I have isotopes over here. I think this might be isotope 11 or so I can just go ahead and then copy the link over here. So if you want to get this thing for free, you just have to let me go here and then click on the link button over here, so you can see link copied. So if you want to get this, you just have to do whatever I'll ask you to do. So I'll come to this section where it says link and then hit on plus or create over here. So the destination link, I have to paste it over here. This is the link to the platform or the thing that I'm using. I'm trying to generate more leads. So if to make it very very catchy, you just have to go to Google and then search for isotopes 11. Okay, so I'll search for that and then get an image for that, so to make it very attractive. So this is it. So I'll try to download one of that. So I'll hit on just click on that one. Okay, let me use this one, isotopes over here, and then hit on save. So save as image. Alright, so this is JPEG images over here. So let me go straight to this platform, recognize, and then go to the section where it says cover image. I will just have to upload one over here, like the one I downloaded right now, and then you can see over here it has been uploaded right over here. So the title over here, so down isotopes. Okay, all right, so let me copy this. I don't want to struggle much. So isotopes 11 free download or free download. All right, so now they will come to this section where it says action section. So you can see your action. Just have to cut to this section where it says select action, and then go to this section where it says YouTube, and then subscribe to channel. So just hit on that, subscribe to channel. So you can see over here it says subscribe to channel. So you have to go to your YouTube channel and then copy your link to your YouTube channel over here. So let me go to my YouTube channel. Let me go to the home page just to get the link that I want. All right, so this is my link over here. In your case, you have to use your own link. All right, so let me copy that, go back to this platform, just paste it right over here, and then now I'm done with the first link. So if somebody clicks on that, they have to subscribe to the channel. So I can go ahead to this section again and even ask them to like a video. So I'll go to add section, action again, and then go to YouTube right again, or any of the social media platforms is available here, so they can go ahead to use whatever they want you want them to do. So let me take it that if I want them to like a video, so I'll just have to go to the section and then select another video. Let me go ahead to videos and then copy a video link, or I'll try to share. So let me hit on these three dots, click on share, and then copy the link to the video, and then go back to the platform and then hit on that. So now they have to perform only two actions. Remember, do not make it very messy for them to become very annoying. Don't make it annoying in order for them to become very simple over here. So right after doing that, what you need to do is to go to this section where it says files or snippets. So we just selected URL over here, so there's no need for you to go to the other side of that. So this is how it looks like. This is the preview of the link that we are creating right over here. So what I'm going to do right now is to go to the section where it says hit on create. So the rest of the thing you can choose to customize, or the background section over here, but it looks very simple over here. So we go to the section actions, customization. Just have to go to the section where it says music production over here, and then tags. You can choose to use like instrument, MIDI, melody loops, sample, and all those stuffs, like plugins and all those stuffs. So you can choose to go with that. So like a video, like hit on share, copy the link to that video. Now go back to the platform again and then paste it here, and then right after doing that, what I'm going to do is to hit on create over here. So you see the over here says successfully created. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on share the URL. Just have to copy the URL over here. So okay, so I can create a shortened URL over here like this. So whenever somebody clicks on that, so I have to click on close, and then if I try to open the URL over here, like if I open a new tab, all right, if I open a new tab like this and then visit that link that I copied, you could see that it's loading, and then you can see over here this the preview of the link that you created, isotope 11 richie beat. And then if I hit on that subscribe to the channel, they have to confirm everything over here. So you can see it has loaded the channel over here. They have to subscribe, and then right after doing that, you can see that it says subscribed to the channel. The person is done with it. So if I click on like the video, they have to like the video over here. The video right over here. All right, so after liking the video and then go back, it's also going to load for them over here. So now they can hit on unlock link over here, and it's going to load the link for them. So the link to isotope 11 that I used, if they click on unlock the link over here, it's going to load that link that I used for them. So you could see that it has open Google Drive and all those stuff. So they have to click on this button over here to download the isotope 11 isotope ozone advanced version 11. So if you want to get that, I'll leave that in the description box. All you need is to click on the link and then download that for yourself. And right after doing that, you can gain more subscribers as a YouTuber of music production niche. Thank you very much for your time. See you in my next video. Stay safe and then peace out.